Welcome to the future of work. Today, we're diving into some groundbreaking AI tools that are set to reshape how we collaborate and boost our efficiency. Get ready to explore these innovations that you should definitely check out today. First up, let's talk about Notion AI. If you've ever wished for a smarter workspace, this is it. Notion AI helps you brainstorm ideas, draft content, and even summarize lengthy documents in seconds. Imagine cutting down your planning time dramatically while keeping your creativity flowing. It's like having a personal assistant that never sleeps. Next, we have Otter.ai. This tool is a game changer for meetings. By using real-time transcription, it captures every word spoken and organizes it for you. No more struggling to remember who said what during those long discussions. Plus, you can easily search through the transcripts later. It's perfect for teams that want to streamline communication and ensure everyone is on the same page. Now, let's move on to Trello with Butler. Trello is already fantastic for project management, but with the AI-powered Butler feature, it gets even better. Butler automates repetitive tasks, allowing your team to focus on what really matters. Want to move cards, set due dates, or send reminders? Just set it up once and let Butler do the heavy lifting. This means less time on mundane tasks and more time for innovation. Ever heard of Jasper? This AI writing assistant is designed to elevate your content creation. Whether you're drafting blog posts, social media updates, or marketing copy, Jasper understands context and tone. You can create high-quality content faster than ever, which is crucial in today's fast-paced environment. And don't forget about Slack with AI enhancements.
Slack has introduced AI features that help prioritize messages and summarize conversations.
Imagine getting a quick overview of important updates without scrolling through endless chats. This keeps your team informed and engaged, making remote work feel more connected. Lastly, let's explore Canva's magic right. Canva is known for design, but now it's stepping into the AI arena. With Magic Write, you can create stunning visuals alongside captivating text, all in one platform. This is a must-have for marketers and creators looking to make an impact with their visuals and messaging. So, there you have it. These AI tools are not just trends, they are transforming how we work and collaborate. By incorporating them into your workflow, you can enhance productivity, streamline processes, and elevate creativity. Embrace the future of work by exploring these tools today.